on we're away. Just starting first bit of winter barley. See how we get on. Just got bed trailer on. Just brought him to the field. Just get him set off. And I'll go and fetch a trailer. Just helped improve gateway because it was a bit tight. Header on. We're away. Bit of rape next door. Go back to the yard now. Find another tractor and a trailer. I'll be back shortly. Right, we're back. Coming down this old lane. I found a trailer. On the old John Deere 6920S. This 10-ton Armstrong and Holmes trailer. You can see how the combine demand's getting on. Doing this little smaller side first. It's like he's about got a tank full on, lights are flashing. And, go down this side. See. Shut the door, we don't want the cab full of dust. Looks a bit of straw on. We'll spin round and see if he's ready to unload. Shut my window. No, I haven't done. I've not took my shoe off. I'll just do that first. Right, we're back again. I've took my shoe off. Caught him up. Just tanking off a bit now. If I don't take my shoe off, it drags in all straw. Bungs it up on the trailer. Just jumped in the trailer to have a look. Not too bad. Dad's just got off to have a look around the combine, have a look, see if it's losing out or back. Go and have a word with him in a minute. That's it. He's finished this little piece. Just got his spout out now. Just tank off and then we'll go and get his dinner. And we'll do it with the other half. Nice and warm today. That's it. We'll explore up here. That's it. It's like they're empty. The trailer's got a pretty good half full, if not a bit more. Go back and get a bit of dinner now. Bit of dinner and then do the other half after dinner. And there's another piece down there, other side of the road. And another one further down. I don't know how many we'll do today. Let's see. We're away again. Just left a bit under wood. Around Woodside, a bit of green. Never got no sun on it, so we're going to cut that bit last, put it in a different shed. Take the tractor up the top and unload. That's it, we're unloading now. We always tend to unload on move, saves a bit of time. We can. It's just starting to fill up with rubbish, this corn. That's why I wanted to get it cut. To have that way, I've got to spray it off. Right, that's me about done. Take this load back to the yard, tip her off, come back for another. Right, that's that field done. We've got kit on bed trailer. Adds off down here. I'm going to go and cut this piece down here now. Got to take 2 fences down to get to it. Rather warm. Just sneak down this grass field. He's gone the other way with combine. Off through that gate down there. So we're going next into this piece, then there's another piece at the other side of them trees. We've got to go through this fence here, and then through that fence over there to get to it. A combine. You can get in through a gate on this hedge side here, tractor and trailer, but can't get through it with combine then, so we have to go straight across lane there into that gateway. We can get in this one here with the trailer. So we've just started in this piece. First time round. Looks quite a bit of straw on this one. Looks a bit better crop this one than last field. Going to take this first tank full down to other farm so we can use it first instead of going it back at corn shed, just in case there's any green bits under wood. And he's still got a bit in tank when he started from last piece. Grand job. That's it, he's emptied off. I'll get rid of this one and come back for another. Now we can get around now. This field's quite steep in places. Doesn't really look it on camera what it is when you're going up there. I've just got back from emptying that load. Just come up to the top of the field. He's down there now at combine. Just going down because it looks like he's stopped. I don't know if he's broken down or bunged up or what. So we'll just go down this hill and go and have a look. bunged up, I think. It's an old area. It's perhaps had a stone or something in it. Go and have a look. There goes Mr. Hare. Running up the wood side, we just jumped over the wall. I don't know if you could see that or not. That's it, we've got going again. He broke a section on the combine bed, one of the knives broke, but to replace that, we're going again now, just unloading, going back up this hill. That's it, we've got a tank full on. We'll take this back into main corn shed now. Does a bit more. Go and get a drink then. Just 5 minutes. Getting on now. Nearly done. It's just got this bit left to do. And that might be it for today. I don't know if we're going, there's another piece further down. To go down there, back of them trees. If we'll be going there or not yet, we'll have to see. That's it for today. Finished that field. Combine bed's going back to farm. Just bringing combine down now. And then he's going to take it back to the yard and drop oil out of it. Change oil. Now he's running it a bit. That's it for the first day then.